Hey guys, it's great to have you back on our channel. Today we are going to be talking about Detan Summer Soap, a natural soap product that can help reduce skin tanning caused by sun exposure during summer. The soap contains 4 awesome ingredients that can make your skin look and feel amazing. So, let's dive into it. Did you know that the sun is not only responsible for giving us that lovely golden tan, but also for causing damage to our skin? Sun exposure can lead to a number of skin problems, including premature aging, skin cancer, and sunburn. This is why it's so important to take steps to remove any unwanted tans and protect your skin from the harmful effects of the sun. In this video we will make simple melt and pour detan soap to remove tan from the face, for daily use during summer. So stay tuned until the end of video. We will make ingredients base for adding to our own custom soap. The first ingredient is liquorice, and no, we are not talking about the candy. Liquorice powder has this amazing compound called glabridin that can lighten dark spots and blemishes on your skin. So, if you're tired of your skin looking tanned and dull, liquorice can help. The second ingredient is manjistha, a natural herb that's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for ages. Manjistha can help brighten your skin, even out your skin tone, and detoxify your skin. So, if you're looking for an ingredient that can help you achieve brighter and healthier looking skin, manjistha is your friend. The third ingredient is lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, which is full of vitamin C. The fourth ingredient is aloe vera. Take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, which is a wonder ingredient for soothing and healing your skin. Finally, we have honey. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Who doesn't love honey? Honey is a natural humectant that helps lock in moisture and keeps your skin hydrated. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Add 2 to 3 drops of turmeric essential oil. It's optional. Mix all the ingredients and keep it aside. Now we will move on to melt and pour soap. You can choose from a variety of different soap bases, each with its own unique texture and properties like aloe vera, milk and more. I have chosen simple melt and pour soap base. Once you have chosen your soap base, cut it into small chunks to help it melt more easily. Take 100 grams of soap base and cut it into small chunks to help it melt more easily. Next, add the soap chunks to the top of your double boiler and turn the heat to low. It's important to stir the soap continuously as it melts to ensure that it doesn't burn or stick to the bottom of the pot. As the soap begins to melt, you'll notice a smooth and creamy texture developing. Once the soap has completely melted and is free of any lumps or bumps, you can remove it from the heat. At this point, we will add essential oil for fragrance. I'm using rose geranium essential oil 10 to 12 drops. Now we can add ingredients that we made to create our own unique blend. Stir the soap well to make sure everything is fully incorporated. When you're satisfied with the consistency and fragrance of your soap, you can pour it into your desired molds. Silicone molds are a great choice for soap making, as they're flexible and easy to remove once the soap has hardened. Allow the soap to cool and harden completely before removing it from the molds and using it. Congratulations, you have just created your own custom soap. Whether you choose to keep it for yourself or give it as a gift, soap making is a rewarding and enjoyable hobby that anyone can enjoy. So, that's it for today's video on Detan Summer Soap. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome skincare tips and product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time.